to chew. I don't know why. Oh my goodness.
We are now late. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my God! Take it!
Spend a day with me as an entrepreneur in Dubai. You guys have shown me so much love in the past year, so I thought, why not do a day in the life with you guys? It's 5 a.m. in the morning, well 5:45, but I just cannot get myself to wake up this morning. I slept so late. The first thing I do when I wake up is I open up all of the curtains and I try to let the sunlight in. Next thing I do is hydrate myself, replenish my body. Then I do a 10 minutes meditation. This really helps me throughout the day. If I get time, I do more. And right after that, I finish my journaling. This is a must. Took me a while to get into the habit, but it's the best. Today my schedule is a little different than other days, so I'm going for my workout now, but I make sure that I get some kind of workout in a day. Could be going for my walk or going to the gym or going for my dance class or something like that. So I'm heading now to the park for a run. It's quite early in the morning and I honestly love it. At this time there's hardly anyone.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you called my line. Who did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time?
I just came back home and these are our pets, Mira and Missy. They come out to play in their dog park that we have made here early in the morning. Saying a little hello to them and then going straight inside because it is so hot right now. And as soon as I come back in every day, Angel comes running for me. What happened?
Lost right now, and it's hard to breathe.
I just freshen up and now I'm going to hydrate myself and then check my emails and also going to get some little work done because I will not get any time later in the day. Okay, so next I will have my lemon and hot water. This is a mini fridge that I have in my room. I usually just keep drinks, chocolates or dates or something like that. This just gets pre-made and I put it in my fridge. That's my lemon and hot water. This is the only calm I have before the storm. Meet my son Aslan. He has a school concert today and he's about to wake up. We usually wake up at the same time, but today is concert day and no school, so he slept in. Aslan is doing his morning meditation now. During one of his holidays, he saw me doing this every day in the morning and he wanted to join me and he fell in love with it since and he never stopped. On school days, he eats a muesli and cereal mix in the morning. That is what he's having now and I'm going to drink my green juice. This is also something that I drink in the morning. Actually, I wouldn't say morning because this is kind of my first meal of the day, but I'm having it now because I won't get time later. I feel like we are a little late already, so these are our outfits for the day. Aslan will be wearing this green t-shirt because their section is representing calm and so the color is green, and his martial arts uniform for later and his pants for the concert, and that is my outfit for the day. So today is a very busy day for me. So on the days when I am this busy, I try to get ready early in the morning for the whole day. Before I start my day, I need my tea. I also wanted to show you guys this section of my room. This is kind of like an inspiration area for me. I add things, I remove things. I sometimes put my vision board also here. It also has a few little sentimental things that really mean something to me or things that I want to achieve. Let me give you guys a little tour. Starting off strong, I absolutely love this art that I have in my room. It's like a little vision board by itself. Next, we have the Statue of Liberty. This reminds me so much of New York. I used to live there. My son was born there. And this just reminds me of my other home. This is the candle that I'm burning right now. I always light a candle before I sit to work. And I change them quite often. Next, I have a globe. I just love having a globe around. It's just one of those old-fashioned things. I've got a tether and a Bitcoin. And the middle one is a Statue of Liberty bar. This is the kind of tea that I'm having right now. I've already finished one set before. It comes with this little infuser, which is like so cool. Okay, let's pick a tea for the day. Okay, this is kiwi fruit punch. Okay, so we also have a French vanilla. Maybe I'll have this one. So these magazines over here, these have my family's articles on them. I have been collecting my family articles ever since I was small. I come from a business family of really overachievers from a completely different field than I am. This has one of my brothers. These are kind of special to me and I like to keep them here. This is a photo album of my son's yearbook. Aslan looks so good in these pictures. I've just added it here. This one's new. So then I have this book here that I'm reading right now. It's called Practicing the Power of Now. I picked it randomly on Amazon, but this is actually so good. Another candle that I love from Van Cleef, and this gold sand timer. This one's my favorite. I love collecting sand timers. This reminds me that the past and the future is just an illusion. And now it's time for us to leave for the concert.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow me. Okay.
Are you gonna cry on stage?
No.
Like Christmas?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Snow will come down from the sky and must get stuck on the snow.
So we'll get stuck on the snow?
Yes.
In Dubai.
Yeah. That's will be all snowy.
Okay. So I've just dropped him and the concert starts in 1.5 hours. I'm heading towards a clothing exhibition and they have it only for today, and I have some clothes on hold, so I have no other time for my fitting, and so I'm gonna quickly try them on now. I have never done shopping this fast in my life, and now I'm straight heading back to school. Aslan's concert is going to be on the main campus, so we are gonna go and wait outside the school until their bus leaves for the main campus. Their bus just left and we are also now going to head to the main campus. Finally, I found Aslan. He's going up on stage right now.
Hi, Mommy.
That was one successful concert. It was amazing. All the kids were so good. Aslan did so well, and now we're heading to the petrol station to get him a concert present.
This one. The Range Rover. It's a big Range Rover, Mommy.
What are you getting? Oh, the baby shark. What you got? Baby shark?
Yeah.
You want something to eat?
Put the croissant.
The butter one?
Yeah.
Okay, and anything else? We picked his present and some snacks, and now we are heading home.
It's a Range Rover.
We just got back home and me and Aslan have a joint TikTok account, and so we are gonna record some TikToks of rating everything that we just got.
We got some candies and toys from the petrol station.
So today was Aslan's school concert. Aslan got this
Yes, I was in the
nice big, what is this, Range Rover? A blueberry muffin. We're gonna try this.
bunch of candy.
Cheers. Are you able to chew it?
No.
I expected it to be much better.
Dad, don't know why. 10 out of 10.
You didn't even get to eat it.
Maybe I should stand up.
This cheese croissant is so good. This is the best. Oh, look at all that cheese. Next, we're filming a YouTube for Aslan's channel. It's about opening all his birthday presents, and it was long due, and I promised him that we'll do this today.
Oh, this one's already opened too.
Okay, go put it on the stack.
This is red.
You want me to be there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Alan. This is Azra.
Angel, are you angry with us? That's the big mess.
Mommy, can you help me to open the pepper cake?
Yes, sure. Aslan is super tired. He's eating salmon with sweet potato mash. He's gonna watch some TV and relax, and I'm heading out for lunch to Madinat Jumeirah with a friend.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
My friend is arriving in 10 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and order myself a drink. It is so insanely hot outside. This black cod was delicious, and this was a pandan milk cake, and this was an 11 out of 10. I love these lunches with my friends. This is super important for me, even though I'm a single parent, but I still make time. I just reached home and looks like my brothers are home. All the cars are parked here. That's one of my brothers, Sadi. He is almost 11 years younger to me. Hi, Sadi. Aslan has martial arts grading today, which is a test, and then he will be getting his new belt. So I picked up a boba for me and him to share.
I am ready.
You ready? The uniform has become so small for him now. He's so grown. And look at this top. This is so small. Aslan is all dressed. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go now. Oh! Oh my goodness!
All your gifts?
Yeah.
We are now late. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
It's so late. Later.
That's right.
Okay. It's too hot today, mommy.
It is too hot.
Yeah.
Are you sleepy?
No. Little bit.
Little bit.
Down to rest in the car.
Little rest.
Yeah, in the car. For a while. And Peppa Pig.
Is it? He wanted to take a nap, but this boy talks non-stop, so that never happened. Okay, bye.
Bye, mommy.
Okay, bye. It was grading today, right?
Bye,
Yeah, so
mommy.
we'll
How are you? Oh, I can hear you. 1, 2, 3.
He tried to leave in the middle of his test 100 times to come to me. There he comes again.
Stepping up to the competition.
And here he's doing his part of the test where he's demonstrating the class.
My position.
Yeah.
Uppercut. Tourniquet. Kick out.
Aslan did so well in the test, and he's all through for the new belt. It was a very tiring day for him and me both, and now we are almost reaching home. So we are back home, and Aslan had an amazing grading. He did so well. He did punches, he did kicks. What else did you do? Push-ups?
Yeah.
Push-ups.
I did an amazing job.
You did an amazing job. Do you want to show your muscles?
Yeah, my next muscle.
Show me more. Whoa, so strong. Today was only their grading. They're gonna have their graduation and belt ceremony.
Next week.
And for now,
Enough. Bye.
enough. Bye. It's almost Aslan's bedtime and our dinner time also soon. Have all of these gifts of Aslan. Need to sort these also before I go to bed. Angel is over there. Bye. I truly appreciate each one of you. Thank you so much for watching.